I love playing with Lego. This is the same stuff to me. I wasn't out there for the Nobel Prize or saving mankind or the higher aims. I really love playing with that. I used to have a small microscope and looking at onion, peels and cells in there and growing, little stuff. And when I went to high school after the first hour of chemistry, I went to my chemistry teacher. I told him I'm going to treat plants with different elements, chemical elements, not even the compounds, and try and see what happens to them. And so I headed back to, tackle stuff and see the outcome. And I also like the data and tables coming up and the patterns coming up and all that. So it's really, to me, it's really the planning. Have some idea and have someone to let you do that and let you buy your groceries for that, for playing around. No, I wouldn't call him funny. I would call him lucky breaks. When you're after something for 2 years, and you're going to say this particular meeting which happened, and you need to get this poster together, and you've been doing this hard, and it's not working, and it's Thursday. You've got to print it on Monday, and it's after midnight, and it comes out, and you start dancing around your lab because it did work after 2 years, and you might graduate at some point. That's lucky. It's not funny, but it's cool. Human genome, sequence of it. If you don't have qPCR, sucks, but you could do it with regular PCR. If you don't have other stuff, you could go around with other new technologies. When those people didn't have a human genome, when human genome came out when I was still at high school, but before that, the positional cloning and all that stuff, it took much longer. These days we go online. I click for a gene and I get a sequence. I know where I am.